Good morning to all of you. Respected chief guest, my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Umar. I study in class 8. I would like to speak in front of you on this public day. I am very grateful to my class teacher for giving me such a great opportunity to recite a speech on Republic Day of India. My dear friends, we celebrate this national event every year to remember and pay respect to the Indian Constitution. It is celebrated in all the schools and colleges by the students and teachers who have also celebrated at government office and other institutions of the state all over the country. We are also celebrating in government middle school public. A main celebration takes place in the national capital, New Delhi and Rajpath, Indian Gate before to the President of India and chief guest from another country. A grand ceremonial parade in organized at the Rajpath in order to perform tribute to India. At this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950.